So stick around and whatever. Nah. Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Rescue. I'm Chris, and in today's video we're going to be knocking out some more stuff on the 305. We're going to be ripping the pistons and the crank out, and even hopefully the camshaft, so stick around and enjoy. All right guys, so first and foremost what we're going to do is we're going to start taking the caps off on the front couple pistons and start knocking them out. It looks like someone's been in this motor before, because on the side of some of these pistons, like right here on number 2, I don't know if you can see it, there is already a stamp on both the cap and on the piston. So what we're going to do is we're going to start popping the caps off, and then we're going to knock them out through the bottom, and then we have a place in the garage where we're going to line them up and keep them all in order so that we don't lose any of our spots. All right, so what we're gonna do, according to John the supervisor, is take off the first main and the second main cap and leave this one on so it stays solid, so the crank can move easier, so we can get to the other 2 pistons and just yank those ones out too. So here we go, we're gonna knock these 2 out and get these other pistons out. All right guys, so we have all the pistons out. This is number 8. Just make sure, if you guys ever do this, make sure to keep your caps with the pistons. So what's going to happen next is what we're going to do is we're going to take off these 2 last main caps, or the caps here and the rear cap, and then the main cap, and then we'll be able to lift the crank right out and put it in the garage. All right guys, so we got the crank out, we got all the pistons out. This day is going pretty well so far, knock on wood. I don't have any wood here, unfortunately. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna flip the motor over, and we're gonna start popping out the lifters so we can get the cam out. And as you saw, we have taken all the bearings out as well while we were up here and put them all with each other. And we're gonna flip this thing over, so let's knock this out. All right, so guys, I jinxed us. We ran into a little bit of a problem. So what we're gonna do, because we can't get the lifters out, we have flipped the motor back over, and we are gonna take out the cam, and that should make it a lot easier to get the lifters out, according to John the supervisor. So let's knock this out and let's get this cam out. All right, guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today. We got all the lifters out, so we're pretty much done. We're going to be cleaning up but pretty successful day. We did get them out. We are going to replace the lifters. They're just not good for what we have right now, and it's probably a good idea since we're going to change the cam anyway. But this block is ready to be sent out, so we're going to do that. So make sure you guys stick around. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and have a great night.